Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 8 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with the new chapter today. The name of the chapter is Books and Authors and this is chapter number 28. Let's read about some of the famous books and their authors. So the first we are going to talk about is Jules Verne's, and Jules Verne's book Journey to the Center of the Earth was the first published in French in 1864, and it is a story about a thrilling trip to Earth's center by a German professor, his nephew and their guide. Next, moving on to The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, which was written by Mark Twain. It was published in the year 1884 and it is the story of a young boy and his adventures with Jim and who was a slave. Let's now move on to the next one. The next one is Gerald Durrell's book My Family and Other Animals. It was published in the year 1956. It is a book about the author's childhood adventures. It also tells about the animal life of Corfu Island where he lived. Then next is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl, which was published in the year 1964. It is the story of a boy and his adventures inside the crazy candy maker Willy Wonka. The next we are going to talk about is Louisa May Alcott's Little Woman. Now, Alcott's Little Woman was published in two parts, that is in the year 1868 and the next part was published in the year 1869. It is a story of four sisters, Meg, Jo, Beth and Emmy, growing up in their family home. The book was based on Alcott's own experience of growing up in a close-knit New England family. Then moving on to the next author, we have Daddy Long Legs. Now it was written by Jean Webster, which was published in the year 1912. It is written in the form of a series of letters by an orphan girl named Judy Abbott to an unknown man who helps her. The book was not only a successful piece of fiction but also a stimulus to reform the treatment of orphans. Well, that was all for the authors. Now let's move on to the quiz time. The first question in the quiz time is, can you identify these structures? And in order to identify them, let's read the question. We begin with the first question, and the first question is, who is the author of the book Grandma's Bag of Stories? And the answer is Sudha Murthy. Then moving on to the second question, name the comic book series feature a courageous Belgian reporter and his dog Snowy, and the name is The Adventures of Tintin. Then the third question is, which book by Lewis Carroll features the story of a girl named Alice who falls down a rabbit hole and enters a fantasy land? And this, though everybody knows the answer, a very famous novel. It is the Alice's Adventure in Wonderland. Then the fourth is author of the popular Rusty series and novels such as The Blue Umbrella. He lives near the hill station of Mussoorie in Uttarakhand, and it is none other than Ruskin Bond. So with this we have now completed the quiz time questions. Moving on to the quick fact. Let's see what the quick fact says. It says that Ruskin Bond is an Anglo-Indian author and his first novel was The Room on the Roof. Bond has authored more than 500 short stories, essays and novels, including 50 books for children. He received the Sahitya Academy Award in the year 1992 and Padma Shri in the year 1999. and Padma Bhushan also in the year 2014. So these are all the achievements of Ruskin Bond. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.